Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Sagittarius. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up. I'll be picking a few cards from each deck, guys, and I'll be picking cards from the angel guidance deck at last. So it'll be angel messages, okay, how to um, change our situation, guys. That will be regarding that. I'll be taking that at last after taking the cards for your daily reading and love reading, guys. Sagittarius. Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Wands. Queen of Swords. Five of Cups. Six of Cups. I hope you can see the cards. With these cards, I feel you're content and happy in this relationship, guys, but there is some kind of distancing between you all. This may be in your relationship or in your work, okay. You are happy in your work, but there is some kind of disturbance, something like you may feel you were better off a few days back, something from the past, from your memory in your work or in your relationship, some happy memories, and you're comparing that situation with the present day situation, and you're thinking it is not up to that mark, up to that expectation. So that may be the energy here, guys. Some kind of you're missing your person. um, the present situation, it's not up to your expectation. Maybe now you have moved on to a serious kind of commitment. You are engaged now, or you are in plans of getting married, or you are married, and your relationship is not the same what it was before. So some kind of disturbance is there in your relationship. You feel you are what to say, not happy like you were when you were before, okay. So you feel your person is not giving that attention and spending time with you, maybe for some of you all, and you are just missing them, just like they were absent in the situation. But even when they are there, you are feeling they are absent, okay. Some kind of distancing is there between you all. So let's pick few cards from the other deck, guys. Let's see what's coming up from the other deck, to see what is the reason for this distance, and why you're feeling that why you're missing your person. If you are single, maybe okay, you're expecting somebody, but they are not main they that relationship, okay, what you're imagining for yourself may not be correct. The person you want to be with, it may not be the right one, guys. That may be the energy here. Coffin. Sagittarius, with these cards, I feel the reasons may be that your person has different aspirations, maybe the attraction, the affinity they had towards you is changing towards their ambitions or work. Maybe they want to achieve something in life and they are putting their time and energy and attention into that. So, that may be the reason for this change. That may be the reason they are not able to spend time with you and they may not be able to what to say be the same like they were before. Maybe some kind of work pressure, maybe for some of them they may be sick, they may be emotionally disturbed, some kind of what to say sadness may be there due to some job loss or some financial loss on their part, or maybe few arguments with their families or friends. Maybe they are sad. Maybe that is the reason why they are not able to be like before. Sagittarius, they are anxious. Something is causing the anxiety, so they cannot open their heart and be like before, be harmonious and what to say passionate in this relationship. That is the energy, guys. To overcome this situation, let's pick cards from this angel guidance deck. Let's see what the angels are telling us to do to overcome this situation, guys. So, angel card here, faith, be content. Sagittarius, with these cards, I feel it is time for you to stay strong in this relationship and listen to your inner voice. Have clarity regarding the situation. You can be quiet and you can reflect within yourself about your situation and get a clarity, guys. If you feel your situation is hopeless and you don't know what is the answer, you just have to have faith in yourself and make a move forward, guys, with this relationship. That is the energy here. Sometimes we don't feel content with how our situations are turning up, but everything changes and nothing is static in this world, so everything changes. So we need to accept those changes. We change every day the same way everybody around us also changes. So when you understand that, we will be able to accept the change in others. When we do that, when this acceptance comes into our being, guys, we just give up all the stress and anxiety we feel. So that is the way to overcome this negative emotion you have in this in this relationship, guys, that your person is missing you. Okay, maybe this change is for something good. Maybe they're trying to work their way in their professional life. Maybe they want to be more contributing in this relationship. That is the reason they are working hard in their life to make this relationship work. Maybe for some of you all, you may be planning to have a child, or you may be pregnant, your person may be pregnant. That may also be the energy here, Sagittarius. So this relationship has all its beauty and what to say good bonding and good memories. So you just need time, guys. You just need to give it time to make this relationship work. So that is the energy for today, Sagittarius. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Sagittarius.